today's demo will be real different with that emails working.
Oh,
like
wonderful.
It's not instant, but it's actually fast. And the problem we were having was connected with Gmail. It still consider our request for emails inbox as a DDoS attack. And this problem will go for good when we implement G+ OAuth authentication.
Oh.
Before that, I'm not sure if you can work with Gmail. But by the way, we've checked Yahoo. Yahoo works for some reason, so just Gmail. So they're like super secure, or not sure.
Is there going to be a solution around that? Because a lot of people are running their G Suite applications from the company for their company emails.
Yes. Basically, the solution is OAuth authentication. So it's a little module is going to allow us to connect to Gmail without any difficulties. We have half of it already. I think to finish it, we need around 10 hours, maybe. I'm not sure. So I've asked developers, and they say we've already investigated this. We've researched the Gmail, and yeah, they are super secure, and we need to like legally connect to them. And for this, we need to use their own software, and this is our authentication. So that's the solution to our problem.
Will that fix it?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Or can we? Yeah, okay. Can we maybe put that as a Trello card? Yeah, that makes sense then. Okay. All right.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and I'm not sure if I should tell you about the intercom problem that was yesterday. So we found out what was the reason of it. So the main reason was that basically the application was okay. So plugin was working fine, and that was connected with enormous duplication of the same intercom accounts. So a lot of people have created the intercom channels with just one login and password. No, not login password, but this
same intercom
app ID. And, and it was considering all these accounts as one, and that's when the hard stuff comes. We are still fixing it, so it works like from time to time. So I think it should work just fine, but yeah.
Okay.
Let's just find out.
Okay. All right. Let's go. Share your screen, and we can rock and roll.
Yeah. Okay. I think I'm using.
Yeah, I just dropped it. I just rechecked the name before I thought finish that has been done. Oh my God. Yeah. So you always submit the report on the certificate.
That's strange. It doesn't allow me to share my screen again.
If you go down to the bottom where it says share screen, are you using the app?
Yes, I'm using the app, but it just like it just gone somewhere. I need some time to find it.
Yeah.
Is it stuff me? Okay, 2000. Oh yeah, it's asking me to sign in again.
Yeah, sign in.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Okay, can you see it?
Yep, it's massive. Yep.
Okay. So we yeah, so we've pushed all the actual updates to test to staging server to avoid some to avoid any complications
Mm-hmm.
we might encounter. So, okay, I already have an account here. It should be, yeah, wrong password. It should be empty. If it's not, I'll make it empty.
Okay.
Okay, so there is a team. Yeah, okay. Let us delete this team. Why not? Let us create new team. Okay, this is test team, or let us call it the representation box. Okay, so yeah, it's empty. I can actually invite all of you right now.
Yeah.
Just you can tell me how you want it.
Put
So
in
there are
this,
two options.
Slack channel, and then Robbie, you can take the link in the Slack channel, and I'll take it to an email. So just david.din@davestills.com.au.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm gonna put it into dev, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, so there is a link. It's one.
And maybe you can add Michelle in just via an email.
I can actually try there. I can see some email.
Yep.
I can use it as well.
Yep.
Okay, so as a team manager, and yeah, I think I have yours as well. Okay. As a team manager. Okay, and I'm going to send an email to myself just to make sure it works.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. I'll wait.
Yeah, so I'm waiting.
Yep. I'll get to that email right now.
Yeah, no, that's wrong one. That's previous one. Yeah, that's every presentation. Yeah, it's so I've received it, so I think you should have received it as well.
Yep. I'm just going to try to get in right now.
I can start adding email channel while you are.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me start with mine. With my email. So it's NGS.
I'm glad that sign up part works.
Yeah, we've spent some time testing it, so it definitely works.
Although when I log in, I don't see any of the team. I don't see the team on my end.
Okay, let me just finish with this.
I'll just outline it in the bug section right now. Is anyone else getting that issue?
Yeah, it's not showing anyone else's. Yeah. It's not even showing a team for me. So.
Okay, all right. I'm putting that into the bugs channel right now.
Okay, let me try it as well.
So I didn't. Just so you know, Alexander, I didn't have an account existing in this test-dev, and so the system asked me to register an account. When I registered one, I went to the screen, to the Wovion login, and got in.
Yeah, and did it look like this?
You look like that, yep. And I signed up.
Okay.
And still waiting for Michelle. Yeah, I got up to that. Yep, signed up, and that's what it looks like. Yep, there's actually no team. You see that? I'll be expecting to see the actual team stream on the an option to see the actual team you created, because you already created one stream. You invited us to a team.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And I can see all the. Okay, yesterday it worked, and we've tested it like many times, and it still doesn't appear.
Yeah. Yeah, I've just put that into the bugs Slack channel already, just for reference.
The only thing I'm thinking about is to reload the page. That might help, but it shouldn't be the case. And there is no.
When I try to reload the page on my end, it actually logs me out.
Yeah, it does the
Okay.
same for me too. So logging me out.
That might take some time.
Okay.
It's not instant, but yeah, right now I'm eager to show you that email right now.
Yep.
Is working.
Yep.
Okay.
The other odd thing is that so after refreshing the page and it logs me out, when I log back in, it says it's like a welcome page and it says I don't have a team, even though.
Yeah, I get the same too.
Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah, here they are.
Okay, so if I send an email to DD Wovion, let me try to do that as well.
Those are mine. So
Yeah.
this is my account.
Do you want to send one to Robbie? It's Wovion-DD at numberleads.com. I'll Slack you the email address.
Okay, that'd be great.
Here it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in that doc too. If you search in the actual Google Drive, a doc called test scripts, all the details in there to actually do whatever text you want to use and stuff and log into whatever.
Awesome. Thanks.
Okay, so I'm just going to do a test.
Yeah. Here are your emails.
Oh, now they all came through. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah.
All the past ones which hadn't been open, they all come through now. Okay.
Yeah, they're really issue right now. That's not the issue. It's some. They have
all the same dates.
All the same dates, all the same timestamp.
Is that a bug?
No. That's not improved, and that actually wasn't.
Oh.
So, but yeah, if you're it's all the emails you had in your inbox.
So why are they all coming up with the same time today?
Because they have time of the system, not the actual emails that were in your inbox. Yeah, that's actually, we are going to fix it.
Yeah, okay. All right.
That's already in development.
Yeah.
That's the same stuff is happening with Facebook. We've managed to make all the Facebook messages come through, but again, they all have the same timestamp, like this. Okay. Yeah, I think is this new email you've just sent?
I've sent 2. Yeah. So
here is
Yep.
this. What is this? Yeah. Okay, so they are here. I can also try to let us say that I'm going to send email to myself.
Yep. if you're using multiple email accounts, 1 second. If you're using multiple email accounts, what which mail server does it use?
But I'm not sure I understand the question. What do you mean by email
Because
server?
you're sending an email. You're sending an email through using Wovion. It's using what
Yes.
mail server to send an email, so it doesn't end up as like
Yeah, here I can actually choose where it should be sent from.
Oh, good.
So
Okay.
I've chosen yours
Okay.
yours email account and send it to mine, and it should be somewhere here. But yeah, again, not instant.
What's the expected time frame for this sort of stuff, for sending a post or sending an email?
Oh yeah, again, I had some. Yeah, here's something new.
Yeah,
that's email. It's here. Actually, sockets are working. So if there is a new mail, if there is new email channel, it's enough to simply reset the filter to see all of them. And yeah, this service is kind of. Okay, let me just try to send it to another one.
How often does it check the mail server? I know you mentioned it's yesterday, but has there been some change to that?
It actually happens every 5 minutes. So every 5 minutes, it runs the sequence. And when 5 minutes pass, the sequence repeats itself.
So what happens when we have like 5,000 accounts on here?
It happens. So we have a few. I remember I did send you some kind of infographics. Yeah, I think I can find it. That's about what we have and about what we had. It's a project. I think it's even, yeah, it's from time when it was called Ottermates.
Yeah.
I remember I had a very good explanation of how things were and how they are right now. Yeah.
Oh,
yeah. So that's what was before, and that's what. Yeah. So we basically now it's not 5, it's 6 or 7 little logical servers. Is it visible? I mean, the text. Can you read it?
Yeah, I can read. I'm just reading what you've got here. Is that what we've got now? Is this what we have implemented now?
Yes.
Okay, this is what we have in AWS, is that correct?
Yes. So it's a few little Node.js servers. And
so how many accounts can we handle realistically then?
That it's actually scalable.
Yeah,
so right. that depends on how we are expecting to handle. For example, if we're expecting to handle 1,000 accounts, I think we suffice to have to. Yeah, I shouldn't give you any numbers, but yeah, I think it's around 10 or 15. But if we're having 10,000 email accounts, that's another digit. We actually have a formula that basically you should put approximate amount of users you're expecting to have, and it basically counts all the.
So, can I ask you a stupid question?
Yes.
The intercom, when you send a message and it will check the message, it sort of, you get it straight away in Wovion, but with email we have to wait 5 minutes. Or
yes.
yeah. Is there any way around that? Because if like Intercom and Facebook, the messages, we can get it straight away and we can reply back straight away.
There is a very simple answer to this. So if we are working with Facebook or Intercom, we can address their API, and it's very simple. So it's one service. It has its own system of sending and receiving requests. So there is no issue on their side. So everything is on our side. So it's connected with our ability to code and to build their architecture and system, etc. But when we are talking about email, there are like 10 different, it's can be called even a philosophy of how they build their architecture of their email service, and every company differs a little. So there is no unite formula how to get those messages from email provider, from email domain. For example, if it's Gmail, that's similar to what I tried to explain yesterday. So if we are talking about Gmail, they have their own policy of how we should address to them, how we should get those messages. And if that's for sure right now. So if we don't do it, let us call it in a legal way, so with their own software, they consider us as hackers and completely block us by the IP.
So
if we are talking, so there is no like single formula like with Intercom or Facebook.
So if the users are familiar with setting up a Gmail account on their phone and they're getting like push notification of all their emails, you think they'll actually have their same usability expectation on their the Wovian account? It just feels like I'm taking them back another 5-6 years back in time, that they can't get these emails, whereas on their phone they're going to get that straight away. They're going to get the emails on their phone faster than they get it on Wovian, which is going to be a bit odd.
No, not exactly.
Okay.
If we use legal software, so it basically should be synchronized by Google itself. Because if they're allowing us to use their own software, they are basically responsible for speed that these emails have, and so to.
Well, how do I explain this technically to users who are going, but Alex, I'm getting the Gmail mails on my phone, mobile phone. They come, when someone sends it to me, they come straight away on my phone.
Yes.
But on Wovian here, you guys have just created this new technology platform, but the actual emails are coming 5 minutes delayed. I get the whole like checking the server thing back and forth, but I'm just trying to understand, why are we being held back? Because why is it that on the phone? Why is it that on the phone the email can come straight away, but on Wovian we have to wait 5 minutes to actually check?
Yeah, that's basically very easy explanation for this.
Yeah.
So Google has much more greater capabilities than we have. Their servers are enormously big. We don't have it. So, for example, right now we are checking those emails once in 5 minutes. Google can check it once in a second or 2 times a second. So basically, we can do this as well, but that would take like the same or even greater capabilities from ours. So we basically need to power up the server we are running on AWS.
So yep. So if we did that, or if we did it differently, just say we only had expectation to have 100 users on there, but we boosted this so that we get instantaneous emails, so similar to the mobile phone when you get your emails coming through. Is that possible? or are you talking about
Yeah.
actually doubling up, like, tripling up the CPUs and stuff like that? Is that what you're talking about?
It's possible, yes. So, for example, so what I did is we've added your email. I'm not sure how many times has passed, maybe 5 or 10 seconds.
Yeah.
I've tapped reset the filter, and yeah, we have it.
Yeah.
That's why that's because I am one of 2 or 3 users here right now.
Mm-hmm.
So to provide the same speed of emails coming through, we just need to basically power up the server we are running, which will be capable to perform those checks of email box 50 times per time we are doing now. So basically now we are checking once per 50, one time in a 1,500.
Okay.
So, no, not really. Well, once in a 5 minutes. I'm
Can
not
I-
a very good mathematician.
Can I ask you then, because we're doing this, Jake and Adam are doing a lot of demos for investors. They can't wait 5 minutes. Can we change it to literally every second?
No, if I'm the only one user here, for example, I get those messages instantly, almost instantly. So the only thing you need to do is click reset filter, and here they are.
But me and you basically are the only users on here, but we still have to wait 5 minutes.
No. The sequence,
Okay.
we start sequence once in a 5 minutes, but when it's actually started, it sends emails. It's checking.
Because I just sent you an email about a minute ago to this stream here, and you haven't still received it yet.
Mm-hmm. You've sent it where? To
Wovion-DD.
Mm-hmm. So it's basically yours.
Yeah. By the way, Robbie, just from a usability point of view, we don't need. Okay.
This one, yes.
We don't need to refresh the screen. It's just habit from Alexander that is refreshing the screen.
Yeah.
So what you're saying is that so I can understand for testing purposes, if we're the only users on the actual platform, then it should technically be instantaneous, like in the next second or two, the actual email should come through.
As fast as server works, yes.
But if we have like 5 users, then it's going to maybe take maybe 10 seconds, roughly?
10, 15, 20, that depends on the amount of
users.
Accounts we have, yeah. It always depends on the amount of users or accounts or channel they have.
Okay, so can you send an email to yourself right now, the RU email address? And can we just double check this one?
Sorry. Yes, sure.
This is just really important for demos, that's why.
Or
you send an email to your stream right now.
Okay. From yours account to mine. Oh, yeah, I can actually choose it doesn't receive messages from Google, but it can
send it straight away.
Yeah, it's from yours actually.
Okay. Now, can you send another message so that we can see it in the stream, the actual Wovion stream?
Yeah. And no, not at all. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, we can see it right now. There it is.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and I've lost here it is.
Yeah.
And currently it takes time to, here it is.
Yeah, okay. All right. Okay, that's clarified my concern for testing and that one for usability for the emails. Okay.
Actually, yeah, do remember we've sent a message to this email. It didn't come through still. So that's probably connected with outdated software and servers and etc. that have, because you saw like instant.
Okay.
Yeah, I can try another one actually. I can use this one. So again, it's oh yeah, I can actually use my personal account and yeah, tests and April test. Yes. Yeah, here it is.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's continue with the testing, yeah. Yeah, there you go. Yeah,
Okay.
gotcha. Okay, that's good. That's
okay.
Yeah.
So, what are we going to add? Facebook, right?
How come those boxes are still orange?
Yeah, those are just placeholders.
Yeah, right. Okay.
And now we are going to have a big amount of Facebook messages.
Oh, so you're actually pulling the historical in as well. Do you know how far back you go?
No. I think we also have a problem that they still have the same timestamp, but all of them are here. Yeah, it's like
That's good.
maybe not all of them. We need to work on timestamp, and then we can get them categorized. It will be much easier.
Oh, I'm just wondering, because the timestamp should be reflective of how when it came through on Facebook, and it's likewise for the emails when it came through by email. The timestamp should be, accordingly. If it was Saturday last week, for example, it should appear here as a date and time for Saturday last week.
It will.
Okay, all right.
Actually, yep.
This is good. This is good. Then that means if it's doing this from a usability point of view for the emails, it should also for the Facebook. You should also then doing it for the all the emails which are currently in the actual email itself, right? That's what happened before. I just saw that happen. Yeah, it actually downloaded but it only downloaded all the unopened emails. It didn't actually download the previously opened emails. Did you notice that?
Actually, let us try and check it. So, for example, let us. No, the other way. Now it actually downloaded all of them. So, for example, port notification, here it is, and we can find it somewhere here.
Okay.
Here it is, support notification. So some of them, I'm not sure which one.
Yeah.
A lot of them.
Okay.
So yeah, it's actually the sequence work the way we download all the messages that Inbox have. Inbox has. So this is Inbox in Russian. This as well. So, and all the that's actually from user point. So yeah, when sequence is when we run sequence for the new channel the first time, it fetches all the emails that are in Inbox. But if we are, for example, when you did send this test message, the sequence is not going to upload all those messages again. It checks and download. It checks and fetches only the last email.
Yeah.
So, and now we're checking Facebook.
And then my next question is: this is obviously using IMAP. So how come the emails haven't been marked as like read and completed or something in your email client?
Sorry, what?
So you still got these emails like as unread, you see?
Those, yes.
Yeah.
They're still unread.
Yeah.
Ah, you mean do we have a marker of if they are read or not?
Yeah. Yeah. Like, oh no,
No,
like as in like.
we don't
Oh, okay.
have it.
Okay. All right.
It's just emails.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. That's
I
good.
think it's one of those points we should put to the list
Yeah.
because I'm definitely those email providers and domains have this information within messages we receive, we fetch, etc. Okay, let us return to to Facebook.
Yeah.
Can you please try to? Oh yeah, I can add another channel.
Yeah. You probably have to
Channel.
get a UPO or something.
Oh yeah. Yeah, here it is. So a lot of yeah, it's your yesterday, no, not yesterday message. Yeah.
Okay.
Is it?
Also, it's downloaded all the Facebook messages as well.
Yes.
Okay. Good. So what happens if the Facebook account's like 3 years old and it's just going to download all the messages as well?
I think it has summaries, like some limits. I'm not sure what they are. We've just fetched all the messages Facebook allows. I think when we work on timestamp, it will be easier to understand how old are these messages.
Yeah.
To understand how many and how old messages we can fetch.
Yeah. 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 Okay. I don't mind it all
But
appearing now. That's fine.
I think it's better than have nothing.
Yeah. Yeah. I agree. Yeah.
Okay. Can you try to message me something? Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm
I
going
was
to your
going to-
Facebook page now. Hey guys, can you message something to this Facebook page? Can we try to blow it out?
I can put a link to. No, that's actually yours.
I'm just trying to
I can
find
try
my
to.
link. Can you Slack me your Facebook page link again?
Yes.
Yeah.
Mhm. Oh yeah, Kevin. I can give likes. Yeah. Has a. Yeah. Yeah, I think I.
It hasn't come through.
That's strange. No, it's here.
How come
Yeah,
it
we
appeared
basically.
there?
Where?
Oh, okay. It just came through. Yeah. Okay.
Mhm.